morning, dear students of Standard 7th. Yesterday I have given you some notes of history textbook lesson number 7, the administration of the Swaraj. So today again we will continue with the same objective answers, that is part 2. Okay, so if you have textbook in front of you, please open it and let's get started with the notes. Now your first question was fill in the blanks, that was in MCQ forms. Now second question is complete the chart. You have to complete the table. Now military organization में दो पार्ट है, one is infantry and other is cavalry. Okay, and in infantry again there are two parts, that is Havaldar and Zumledar, and in cavalry that is Shiledar and Barghez. So you have to note down this chart as it is shown here. Now come to question number 3. Name the following. That is a short answer. First one, council, COUNCIL, council with 8 ministers, MINISTERS, and the answer is Ashtapradhan Mandal. So I am telling the spelling of Ashtapradhan, ASHTAPRADHAN, Ashtapradhan Mandal, MANDAL. Second one, Bahirji Nayak, spelling of Bahirji, BAHIRJI. Bahirji Nayak was the head of his department, DEPARTMENT. Answer is intelligence department. Spelling of intelligence, INTELLIGENCE, intelligence department. Third one, the sea route built by Maharaj near Malvan. Hope so you don't need the spelling of Malvan, right? Answer is Sindhudurg, SINDHUDURGA. S should be written in capital letter. Fourth one, he looked after the war material on the fort. Who looked? It's the Karkhanis, KARKHANIS. Fifth one, he is the chief of infantry. He is the chief, CHIEF, of infantry, INFANTRY. Answer is Sharnobat, SARNOBAT. Officers of infantry. Who is the officers of infantry? Havaldar and Zumledar, HAVALDAR is Havaldar, and Zumledar, JUMLEDAR. Seventh one, two type of cavalry man. First is Shiledar, SHILEDARS, and second is Barghez, BARGIRS. Eighth one, number of fort in Swaraj, that was 300 forts. Ninth one, number of ship of various kind in navy, number of ship of various kind in navy, that is 400 ship. Now answer the following in one or two sentences. Answer the following in one or two sentences. First one, which officer OFFICERS were there on the fort? Answer is, there was a Killedar, KILLEDAR, comma, Shabnis, SABNIS, and the Karkhanis, KARKHANIS, on every fort. Second one, which were the hill fort built by Shivaji Maharaj? Answer is Pratapgarh, PRATAPGAD. Second is Parangarh, PARANGAD. Third is Rajgarh, RAJGAD. Third one, name the battleship BATTLESHIPS in the navy of Shivaji Maharaj. Name the battleship in the navy of Shivaji Maharaj. Answer is Gurab, GURAB, Gurab. Second is Galbat, GALBAT. Third is Pal, PAL. Okay. Next one, what were the two type of cavalrymen? Answer is the Shiledar, SHILEDAR, the Shiledar with his own horse and weapons, WEAPONS, and the Bargis, BARGIRS, who were provided with the horse and weapons by the state. I am repeating the answer. The Shiledar with his own horse and weapons, and the Bargis who were provided with the horse and weapons by the state. Understood the answer? शिलेदार जो थे उनके खुद के वेपन्स और हॉर्सेस था, लेकिन बारगीर जो था उसको प्रोवाइड किया जाता था हॉर्सेस और वेपन्स. तो ये टाइप्स होता है कैवलरी मैन का. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. Who were the chief naval commanders? Who were the chief naval commanders? Answer is Mainak Bhandari, MAYNAK, Mainak Bhandari, BHANDARI, and Daulat Khan, DAULATKHAN, were the chief naval commander. Name the enemies of the west coast who created obstacle at the expansion of Swaraj. Answer is the Portuguese of Goa. Portuguese spelling PORTUGUESE T-U-G-U-E-A-C, the Portuguese of Goa. Second one, the Siddhi of Janjira, Jangira. Third one, the British factor of Surat. And fourth is the Rajapur. Seventh one, what constitute the Ashtapradhan Mandals? Answer is Shivaji Maharaj appointed a council, COUNCIL, of eight ministers handling HANDLING the affairs AFFAIRS of eight different departments. Full stop. These eight head of department constitute CONSTITUTED, the Ashtapradhans Mandal. Eighth one, how did Shivaji Maharaj appoint the council of ministers? Answer is Shivaji Maharaj appointed the council of the basic of their merits, MERITS, and achievement, ACHIEVEMENT, and they were paid handsome salaries, HANDSOME, handsome salaries, SALARIES. How did Shivaji Maharaj describe the merchant? Shivaji Maharaj described the merchant as merchant, MERCHANTS, are the ornaments of kingdom and the glory of the king. Shivaji Maharaj described the merchants as merchants are the ornament of the kingdom and the glory of the king. Next one, name some of the famous Sarnobat, SARNOBATS, officers of the cavalry. Answer is Netaji Palkar, Pratap Rao, PRATAPRAO, Gujar, GUJAR, Hambip Rao Mohite, HAMBIRRAO, Hambir Rao Mohite, MOHITE. Okay, students, give reason you don't have to write. Only objective answer you have to note down, and you have to complete your work by heart the question answers properly. And one more thing, read your text well. मैं ये स्टार्टिंग 1 डे से बोल के आ रही हूँ, आप कितना भी नोट्स बाय हार्ट कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, बट यू हैव टू रिवाइज योर टेक्स्ट. अगर आपको लेसन पूरा रिमेंबर्ड हो गया, कितना ऑफिसर्स है, कौन सा किधर का ऑफिसर्स है, ये सारा चीज़ आपके लेसन्स में ही है. ये अगर आप समझ गए तो आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखने में ज़रा सा भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. इज़ दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो आफ्टर एवरी लेसन रीड टेक्स्ट बुक ट्वाइस. जितना आपको टाइम मिल रहा है आप उतना टेक्स्ट बुक रीड कीजिए. Now here we completed our portion of history. Okay, so the thing is now only you have to read your text and by heart the notes. That's all. So till today, thank you, and for today this much only. Have a great day.